In this video, I'm going to give you an introduction to the software section of our website. Click on Software, the 6-box model. We organize our software offerings by box in our 6-box model. So here we have box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4, box 5, and box 6. If you scroll down just below this model, you'll see software templates by box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to do this demo with the bookkeeping template. So I'm going to open up the bookkeeping section, box 5, and there's the first link, bookkeeping. This takes me to what we call the bookkeeping software landing page. The other way to get to a software landing page is you can go software. And if you know which box your product is in, you come down here, box 5, bookkeeping, and I will come to this same landing page. Now, once on the landing page, the template links are typically right at the top. Click on the template link that you're interested in, and it should load. If you're logged into your Chrome browser, you should see some icon here indicating as such, and you may also see an icon here. I just did a video where the icon was here, but it wasn't here, and I had to actually log in again to get full functionality here for the making a copy. But bottom line is that the software template should open in a view-only mode, and you can see what's on every worksheet, and you can scroll the worksheets in this mode. So it takes you about 15 seconds to get from the home page to get to the point where you're viewing a template or the contents. What you cannot do is come in and modify anything here. You can try, it won't let you. You also cannot unhide sheets that are hidden. So to make your own copy, what you're going to do is you're going to go File, Make a Copy, give it a name. I'm going to just save it in my drive for now and click OK. At this point in time, you are currently making a copy of, or downloading, however you want to think about it, a copy of our template. This user, Jane, now, keep your eye right here. You're looking for a folder. Once that folder shows up, that means that is fully on Jane's drive, and Jane now has a copy of our software. She's ready to do bookkeeping. She can come in here and edit anything she wants. The homepage of our website mentions something here. Let's go back to the homepage. It said, takes about 30 seconds. Let's start up here. Are you wondering what it takes to get your hands on one of our templates? It takes about 30 seconds. You can either make a copy for your Google Drive or download a copy in XLSX or ODS format for your use in a platform of your choosing. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. Some of our more complex templates offer enhanced functionality with the connection of an unbound Google Script project. For those, the Google Script projects are provided for download, private connection, modification, and use. We could have hosted them from our own Google Drive, but that would not have guaranteed you the privacy you deserve. What that's referring to is here, Jane has her own copy of our software here, but if she were to try to click refresh, it wouldn't work. Likewise, if she were to try to click most anything on this DIY menu, it probably should not work. This added functionality requires the connection of a Google Script project. I'm not going to get into that in this video, but I'm going to show you where you'd know that there was a project that should be connected if you wanted full functionality. And then I'll show you where that's at. So we'll go back here. Let's go back to that landing page. When you get to a landing page, you've got the templates up top. If there's support domains, they should be listed down below, right in here. And then if you scroll down a little further, there's an image and there's technical details. Under the technical details, it'll give you an approximate number of active sheets, approximate number of silent worksheets, which basically are sheets that do work in the background, an approximate number of array formulas for programmers who want to have an idea of how complex a bookkeeping or a template might be. We have internal/bound project used. In this case, it's yes. And external/unbound project used. In this case, it's yes. It lists the unbound project, and if you click on that link, it would take you to the landing page for the unbound Google Script project that's used with this file. In the case of the bookkeeping template, all of the accounting functionality is contained in spreadsheet formulas. You do not have to connect the unbound Google Script project to get all the core accounting functionality that's needed to create your income statement and your balance sheet. The biggest loss by not connecting that might be the drill down links in different reports. Let's say in the income statement or in the balance sheet. If I were to run in the income statement, if I want to drill down into my income statement for insurance and other, if I want to click on this view link, that will work until I start changing the worksheet names to something else. If I change the names, I need the Google Script project connected to properly update these links. So you get a lot of functionality out of this right here with a downloaded copy. No script connections required. The script connection takes about 3 to 5 minutes. So That has been an introduction to how you get a worksheet or software from our website. In the case of this bookkeeping guide or this bookkeeping template, I'd suggest you start with the BK Master Guide. It gives you a subset of information on this website of how to get going with that template. And then the BK Download Guide shows you this exact same information I just showed you here, but it goes on to show you how to get the Google Script project to get full functionality from the file. Then there's a demo guide that provides you with information on how you can use the demo data in the file. Each file does come with 1 year's worth of demo data. There's a BK configuration guide that tells you how to empty the demo data and set it up for your own use. And then there's a user guide. There's a simulation guide, which talks to you about the transaction generator that's in the bookkeeping template. And there are programming guides, which go worksheet by worksheet and tell you what each and every cell does and how it all works. The one other thing that I'll show you while we're here, we're bouncing around a little bit, is if you wanted to make a copy in Excel or open document format, you go File, Download, either Microsoft Excel or open document format. Let's click Excel. And I'm on a PC right now. So in my case, it opens up to this view right here. And I might go up to, I don't know, I could download it to my desktop, let's say, and I'd click Save. At that point, I have a copy of this in Microsoft Excel format. Now, I haven't done a whole lot of testing to confirm that all the functionality carried over. I just got a little error when I open something up. But there it is there, and those of you who like Excel can go in here and play around with it, and I will tell you that from the get-go, it looks like it's still working. So it should work well. If not, there might be a couple small changes you need to make to some equations, but feel free to explore this bookkeeping template in your favorite spreadsheet platform, and look forward to hearing from you.